table. If your electronic device has a flight mode function, please enable it now. Mobile phones and tablets with flight mode, as well as all other non-transmitting electronic devices, may be used during the entire flight. For safety reasons, larger devices such as laptops must however be securely stowed away during takeoff, landing, and severe turbulence. They may be used again when the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. We would also like to remind you that this is a non-smoking flight, and that electronic cigarettes are also prohibited on board. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to draw your attention to the safety regulations on board. Please read carefully the safety instruction card you will find in the seat pocket in front of you. It gives you important information in case of an emergency. Please fasten and unfasten your seatbelt as demonstrated. This aircraft is equipped with 4 emergency exits marked with the word exit or sortie. There are 2 exits at the front and 2 over the wings. A fluorescent light on the floor leads to these exits. Please note your nearest exit. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now show you how to use the oxygen masks. In the event of a loss of pressure in the cabin, oxygen masks will automatically be released from the ceiling. In this case, pull one of these masks close towards you and press it firmly over your nose and mouth. Secure the elastic around your head and breathe normally. Please put on your own mask before assisting other passengers. There is a life vest under your seat. Please observe the following demonstration. Pull the life vest over your head, fasten the belt and pull it tight. Only after having left the aircraft, pull the red tab to inflate the vest. If necessary, inflate it by using the red tube. Should you be entering water, a signal lamp will light up automatically.